Oh my gosh, look at my hair.
It's delicious. And it's
Look at my hair. Unacceptable behavior. Okay, I'm not styling my hair today. I literally just washed it. And styling my hair one day equals an immediate wash as soon as possible with the amount of gel I have to put in it. So I'm not styling it. I'm just gonna comb it, greased it, and that's it. I'm just leaving it like this. It's just gonna be 90s afro today. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. I have a barbecue today with church family friends, and I literally just need to get ready. I've already got my outfit on, which I'll show you guys when I finish my makeup. And now is the makeup portion of the video. So I don't know what kind of makeup look I'm gonna do. I've been battling between whether I should do a full face or a half full face, like where you can tell I'm wearing makeup but I'm not wearing a full face, or whether I should just do the full face. It's only 24 degrees today max, so it's not that hot, so I should be able to get away with doing a full face without sweating my ass off. But I don't know if I want to go with a full face look today. Like, that's just a lot, and I don't know if it's doing that. I don't even wear foundation anymore. It's sun tinted shit. It's good. I'm using it. See that I got yesterday. By the way, this is for white people. The model that they modeled this on, that said this was their shade, was not white, but this is, it's white. Like it doesn't look white, but when I put it on, trust me, you'll be scared. Got the matching powder with it as well, because I'm just that babe. And I also have, oh wait, this is the matching powder. This is the new one I got. This is the old one. I'm literally just gonna go ahead and get started. Obviously you guys already know, P. Louise base. I never actually show you guys on what products I'm using when I'm doing my makeup, so we'll see if I do that this time around. Probably not, but I will try. I've really just been spending my money on my makeup recently, because when I tried to do it all in one, it was 8 bills. So yeah, can't do that. Damn, that's what I did, bro. I lost my Benefit mascara, so we're not gonna talk about it, but yeah, that's no longer probably the longest injury I've ever done. But yeah, without further ado, let's get straight on to the video. Just deeped, because I want to be watching Netflix while I'm doing this. If I do tell you the products, it's gonna be a waste of everything. But yeah, guys, I just realized something. I can't lie, it's probably been about 5 minutes since I last put the camera on, and I literally just realized just now that I actually have somewhere to go. So I'm sitting here taking my sweet time, and then I look at the clock and I actually have like 30 minutes to do my makeup. So a full face is not gonna happen, because if I'm gonna do the full face that I was planning to do and chill, it's gonna take me about 2 hours. I don't have that kind of time. So it's literally just gonna be eyebrows, concealer, and lip gloss. I don't even know if I'm gonna have time to do lashes yet, because I don't have the eyelash glue that I know how to use. I only have the Duo one, and that one is sticky as shit, and I can't be bothered to deal with that today. So plans have changed severely, but you know what, it's okay. I'm still gonna look like a bad bee regardless. Guys, I have like 15 to 30 minutes. Guys, this is how much I've done in the past like 10 minutes. Look at my eyebrows. It's okay, it's gonna work out. P. Louise base in Rumor 8. Okay guys, here I was just showing you what I was using, and I used the Yellow Girl Tinted Foundation. Done. My makeup is done. I'm not doing anymore. That's it.
The anesthesiologist or
Pack up, makeup,
None of the above.
and go. By 5 past, I want to be out of here. Am I gonna put highlighter?
Favorite teacher.
Nah, I'll just do my lip look.
What do your parents do?
I'll just do my lip look and call it a day. Guys, I'm on the train. I'm waiting for it to depart. It departs at 12:45. It's 12:40. I did not bring my GoPro. My GoPro. What was I gonna say? My phone stand. My Gorilla tripod. So I'm gonna have to use my hand. Since I'm gonna turn up, you'll probably see. Hi guys, it's Editing Aramide here, and I am just here to give you guys an outro. As you can tell, I did not film one on the day of filming. I forgot, and I was just too busy having fun. The barbecue was lit. It was absolutely amazing. But guys, I will not lie, I filmed this video like a month ago. It's been a hot minute, but I am finally getting around to uploading and editing it for you guys. But I'm just here to say that this is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, you know, all the good stuff. Follow me on Instagram at aramide.T __ and TikTok at aramide.it. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one, which I'm about to get into it right now. Bye guys, peace. Mwah.